Suck it! Come on, dude. Up.
There's D right there trying to fish, but everybody knows that Mexican cannot fish. Where's Tyler?
I'm gonna go suck cock.
Uh.
I'm gonna grab my coat so I can
Flow session.
Hey, I'll be. Time to bust another flow while I'm in the woods, cause that's what I do, and that's what's good. Yeah, I like to flow. Yeah, I like to blow. I like to smoke blunts, and I like to blow. Oh, yeah, I see a fish shine and it says 420. Yeah, I like to do that. I like to smoke plenty. Yeah, I got bitches on the hoe. Got bitches on the floor with no clothes. How about that, bro? Oh, I'm in the tree. How about that? You wanna come smoke with me? Come on, Duke. Jump up here, we can do what we can do. Be chill as a polar bear with no underwear. That's just how I do. Catch a clue, you ain't like me, fool. Come here, dude. Get in water.
Come on, D. Come on, man. I was going for your solo, man. I was gonna zoom in on you.
Dude, you're not filming me, I'll pee. I almost flew off that way.
Yeah, I'm always